So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change this default Shopify gift card image to something like this. This is the gift card page. So we're going to add something like this where you can just change your image to, any image you have in your store. And also we are going to look at this, how to change this image. This is the gift card image you send to customers when you issue a gift card to them. So when you go to your gift card section or tab, when you issue a gift card, there's no option here to customize or to change what the gift card image actually looks like. And when a customer receives it, this is what they get. This is what they see, and this is what all Shopify gift card images look like. It's just a simple pale gift card. So the only way that I found that you can change this, and I've looked for apps, there aren't any apps that does modifications to this this gift card. But so the only way you can change it is to first email it to yourself, or like in this case, email it to your store's email address, and then you just, when you receive it, you just forward the email. You forward the email, and then I've already changed the image. Let me just delete this. So when you forward the image, you can customize it down here. So this is where you'll be able to customize it, and we're just going to add our own image in here. Let's just upload. So whatever image you have, you can just drop it in here. And I think this is probably the only way. This is the only way that I found that you can customize this gift card image invitation, I could say, or gift that you send to a customer. And when you're done with this, changing your image here, you can then add their email address and then just send it. And when they receive it, they open it up, they open up the link, they will land on a page that looks very similar to this. Shopify themes, I think all of them have like a different kind of layout style on this page, but one thing they all have in common is this gift card. It always looks the same on every theme. So we are going to change this, and you're not going to have to do anything. You're just going to have to copy paste stuff. So just head on into your code editor. Okay, when you get to your code editor, just type in gift in the search bar. So we're just going to look for gift. So the gift card page is in the templates folder. So let's open up gift card page. Now we just need to replace our image. So I'm just going to press Control F and look for an image. Okay, so this line of code right here, this is the line of code that we are going to replace. Now in the description below, I will link code that you will have to place in here. So the next thing we do now is we need to first create a section. So let's head over to our section folder, and then let's just click on add new section. You can name it whatever, my gift card, and let's just create a section. So now in here, the code that we're going to use in here, I will add it to the description. So just when you open up the link, just copy and paste the code, and you'll notice something that there's a line here that's exactly the same as that line of code here inside of our gift card template. So once you've pasted all that code in here, just save it. Don't do anything else, just save it like that. And this name up here, we are going to copy that name, or no, this name. Yeah, it's the same thing. So just copy your section file name. So copy that name, and then we will head on back to our gift card template. So just below the image, just add this small line of code. This is going to be the section that is going to change the image. Now let's paste our copy text. I'm just gonna highlight and tab this so it's more in the center. So now this line up here, you can just delete it, or you can comment it out, or you can just cut and paste it somewhere else. So I'm just going to cut this and save it. Or if you want to comment it out, you just do this, comment. Now let's copy this. When you do this, the Shopify won't be able to read whatever is in between these two comments. This is the start and this is the end, so it won't read this code, so it's like blank. So just place this line of code here, the section. This is going to call our new section that we made here. Okay, so let's save this, and that's it. So now we go back to our, this not that one. Now we go back to our page. Now we'll just reload this page, and one thing you'll notice is the image is here, because I've already done this, but you won't have an image there. Your image will be gone, and I think this thing will be set to like 2. So I just added this border radius because you can see here the image is kind of poking out behind this little image here on top of it. So you can adjust the border radius a little more, kind of hide it. But yeah, there you go. And now you can change your images. So when someone opens their gift card, and they'll land on this page and they'll see this image here instead of that, whatever that, that wrapped up cake image looks like, that expired gift card image. So they'll see your own personalized image. So just copy the code and just copy all that code and create your new section and just add this line of code and just hide this, remove this or comment it out. And this new section that you made will not show up. It won't show up on your homepage inside of the add section tab. It won't be there. It'll just be on this page, on this gift card page. And that's it. Hope you enjoy it.